What if I told you that while you're sleeping, thinking your body is resting, it might actually be breaking down your muscles night after night, especially after age 60? Yes, even if you've eaten well all day, your body naturally loses up to 8% of muscle every decade after 60, and most of that breakdown happens silently while you sleep. Faster if you go to bed hungry. But here's the game-changing truth. You can stop it and even reverse it starting tonight with just one powerful tweak to your bedtime routine. Aging doesn't mean weakness. It simply means your body needs the right kind of fuel at the right time. And bedtime is the secret window where transformation begins. So in this video, I'll reveal 8 science-backed foods that work while you sleep to preserve muscle, fight inflammation, and help you wake up stronger, steadier, and more energized, without complicated workouts or expensive supplements. Let's start with a surprising hero from your fridge. Cottage cheese. This creamy snack is loaded with casein, a slow-digesting protein that feeds your muscles for up to 8 hours overnight, exactly when your body needs it most. Just half a cup before bed, perhaps with banana slices or a sprinkle of cinnamon, and you're giving your muscles the fuel they need to repair while you rest. Now pair that with a humble hard-boiled egg, rich in leucine, a powerful amino acid that triggers muscle growth and helps older adults overcome anabolic resistance. The reason seniors need more protein than ever. 1 or 2 eggs 30 minutes before bed can mean 19% more muscle preserved, according to research. Craving something different? Try tuna and olive oil, a savory, satisfying bite that delivers high-quality protein and healthy fats that extend digestion and maximize overnight repair. Add lemon juice or cucumber slices, and you've got a low-effort, high-impact nighttime muscle protector. Prefer something cool and tangy? Greek yogurt is your gut-friendly, protein-packed ally, rich in probiotics and calcium that strengthen bones, relax muscles, and improve next-day energy. Want something warm and soothing? Sip a golden cup of warm milk with turmeric. This time-tested remedy pairs casein protein with curcumin, an anti-inflammatory compound that helps reduce joint pain and boost overnight recovery. Not a fan of dairy? Stir a tablespoon of almond butter, rich in healthy fats, plant-based protein, magnesium, and vitamin E, into a bedtime snack like whole grain toast or apple slices. This combo not only protects muscles but calms nerves and lowers stress hormones like cortisol that cause nighttime breakdown. Need a refreshing twist? Drink 4 to 6 ounces of unsweetened tart cherry juice, packed with antioxidants and natural melatonin, to reduce soreness, fight inflammation, and support deep, restful sleep. And finally, for the most powerful boost, consider a scoop of casein protein shake, the gold standard for overnight muscle recovery. Mixed with water or almond milk and taken 30 to 60 minutes before bed, this slow-releasing protein feeds your muscles all night long, increasing muscle synthesis by 22%, even without exercise. Add cinnamon or banana for taste, but keep it light and easy to digest. So as you wind down tonight, remember, your body is listening. Whether you choose a creamy bite, a warm sip, or a protein shake, you're not just sleeping, you're rebuilding. Aging isn't the end of strength. It's the beginning of a smarter way to maintain it. You're not too old to feel strong, balanced, and energized. You just need the right nighttime routine, and now you've got it. Let me know in the comments which bedtime food you'll try tonight, and hit that like button if you believe stronger starts now.